I said, if Ahmed Bola Tinubu fails, hold me responsible.
You say?
I say, if Tinubu fails, hold me responsible.
Thank you.
The job people are already angry that this is the worst government.
We have just started.
We must learn the lesson.
This is mad. You're gonna trust mad. Adam. Guys, we see what the man cannot talk.
Guy.
My wife, my crush, Destiny Etiko. You're mad. You're crazy. How about now? You said the best for me over what happened the last time.
But the best for you, you go know. I'm not a pretender.
But I said that I am sorry now. I am sorry.
You be alright, Papa.
Yes, I know. Call me any name you want to call me. I no go agree. I must marry you.
Chris.
This insult is getting out of hand though. Remember, say I senior you.
I don't mind. It does not matter whether you senior me or not. I go slap better Chris come off for your body.
You go slap me.
My boundary words with you is to slap Chris come off for your body.
Madam, don't make me vex for you for this.